Vellum copies are in 6, Excellency, so that after assent, the bill provides the dates of commencement. Part of the clauses will commence immediately the bill is published in the Gazette, and part of the clauses will commence on a date to be determined by the Cabinet Secretary in Gazette. It is a long bill, Your Excellency, with 61 clauses. 61 clauses, Your Excellency, and 3 schedules, part of which speaks to the manner in which the board will be conducting its affairs, and the manner in which the board will also be determining the allocation of houses. It is envisaged, Your Excellency, that some regulations will also be promulgated by the Cabinet Secretary upon assent and commencement of this bill. Our county governments, Your Excellency, have also been given a function in the bill by way of creation of county affordable housing committees in every county for purposes of advising the governors on their roles as established in this bill. Your Excellency, I seek your leave to join the rest. Thank you.
Your Excellency, permit me now to invite you to affix the public seal of the Republic of Kenya on the statute pursuant to Article 135 of the Constitution, which requires every presidential action to be under the hand and seal of the President. Permit me also to invite the 6 designated artisans to join His Excellency, the President, as he affixes the public seal.
Tumpigie rais makofi kwa hiyo kazi. One more round of applause, please.
I would now request